and also you store some contents in your application. So basically, that is what we will be focusing on. So for here, I want us to do some try example here, which the first thing is we need to import our OS model, and then when we do the, I think I've explained this one to get CWD, which simply means what? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Get what? CWD. That is current working directory. Okay. So it's basically going to give you your current working directory that you have there. And then we can list the directory that is the current directory. We can list them depending on where you go to. Okay. And we can do all those things. And then we can also see there what are you do from our previous knowledge. That is what ch there. Ch there. Ch there simply means change directory. Okay. And then when we have mk there means what?
Direct.
Make directory. So these are simple like the m means mk simply make, and the there means directory from our previous knowledge. Let's get this simple thing. List there, then going to list the directory for us. Okay. So let's do simple exercise. Last time I did this one to you. When I have change directory, I have dot dot dot. What does it do? What does it do? So it simply means that you move from your current directory to your parent directory. So for instance, you could see here, I'm here. When you change the directory, okay, when you change the directory here, it moves us to this directory, as you can see here. Then when you do this, it brings you back to the parent directory where you were before. I hope it's clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do a simple exercise. For me, I have Tony, but you don't have Tony, so you can still use the what do you call, your command prompt, the PowerShell. Okay, you can either use your PowerShell or you can use your Visual Studio Code. Any of them is acceptable. So you decide which one that you want to. You know the PowerShell too. You can also work with the operating system. Okay, so which one that you prefer? Let's try, and then you give me the feedback. Okay. Okay. So who want to walk us through? Is that one who want to share the screen?
Please, what are we trying?
What I have here. What I have. No, we did all these exercise with the complete list. I don't know. Did you go through them?
No, I've not. I haven't actually. Okay, maybe I wasn't paying attention. I'm not sure I was paying attention. I didn't go through.
Yeah. So that is one challenge for me. But when we keep on piling it, sometimes going over it become a little bit difficult, as if maybe you've not even thought. Okay, so that's
Yeah.
why I was expecting within the weekend we'll be able to go. So in order not to waste time. Let's do this here. Okay, so now this is the content that I want. Sorry that I've not added it to the site for you, but then I'll be uploading all for you now because I really want you to get the understanding the way it is. So I want you to get the understanding before upload all the content. So when you are going through, it will be easy for you to get it. But all that we've done so far, the practical I did with you, is the same thing. Okay. So now what I want you to do is let's practice this. So by the time we leave this session, I know that you are okay. So today I want us to consume how to manage the directory, how to copy file to the directory. So I think we can move to the next one here where we can maybe copy, delete, move. These are certain things that at least we need to have hands-on practice with it. So now let's do this. Okay, so I want someone to either share the screen or I've been doing it since we started for you to see. Okay, so who can demonstrate this for me? I just want to see that what that I'm doing, at least you are focusing on or you are getting the understanding. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Who wants to start? So the first point is we need to we for now I know that we these are the simple command that I want us to have it in mind. Okay, we already know the what OS does. Then I'm saying that if you want to get the current directory, we use what get what current directory. Okay, that is going to pull your current directory, which we've done it. You can assign it to a variable and later on you can print the variable. That is cool. And that is going to give you your current directory. Now the next point is you can list the directory that is your current directory that you have. So if I want to list, I have my list and I'll place the current directory that I want to list in there. In that case, it's going to list all the files. So this one you see, these are files, and if the folders are there, it's going to list the folders too as well. Okay, and then we can also make a directory, and which I said you can make a directory by using this. Okay, so that is also going to give you that the directory. So that is the directory name that you want to add. So now when you list your file, okay, you should be able to get your file, all the files that we have here, plus the directory that you see here. So this is the new directory that we just created. Okay, and then you can also change directory. So I want to move to the directory I just created. So now you use what change directory, that's CHDL, and then you have your directory that you want to move in. So now if I check my get current directory, now you could see that I have this, but there's no content there in my current directory because you've not added any files to your current directory. So you could see that all this place is empty. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then when you want to move back, so now I'm inside my current directory. I want to go back to my parent directory, let's say root, and that is where you have the dot dot here in your change directory. So dot dot inside the change directory is going to change your directory which you are currently in to your parent directory. So now this will move us to there. So now if I now come back and say os.get current directory, it tells me that now I'm in my parent directory. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we try this? I just want to know if you're okay with this. Then we can continue with the rest. Okay, because these are the basic knowledge. So if you are not consuming the basic knowledge, it's very difficult to get the other thing. No, last time what I did is still is the same thing, but just that I try to do maybe within a program. Then later on when we are doing it, to be like a refreshing something to be able to grab it. So I was thinking within the week you will be able to go through it. So once we meet and I ask you something like try this, it should be easy for you. But I realized you didn't go through, which is a challenge for me.
Okay, I want to try.
Okay. Okay, so I will stop sharing. So you can decide to use any of the um, platform to do.
Okay. Okay, so I'm using Windows PowerShell.
Okay.
So first, said if you want to interact with the operating system, we first have to import the OS model. So I'm going to import OS. And now, if you want to get the current working directory, the directory you are currently working in, you use the os dot get current working directory. So yeah. Okay, so this is my current working directory. So now we want to make a new directory and change like the directory to the new directory we've created. Please, do you get it? Yeah, that one I was quite confused, but that's what I got from it. Like we are making a new directory and changing the directory to, so this is basically the parent directory from what you said, right?
Yeah.
So I am going to make a new directory and probably change the directory to the new directory I made. Okay, so os dot. Okay, so the name of the directory is, I used subdirectory. Okay, so we've made a new directory. Now, so I'm going to get, I'm trying to get the, okay, let me not confuse myself. So please, wait, sorry. So now I'm going to change the directory. We are currently in our parent directory. I want to change the directory. So I use the chdir change directory. So we are going to do os dot. So we are changing the directory to